Here we are in Las Vegas. Actually, no, we're right outside Las Vegas. We're in Henderson, Nevada. Plan today is we're going to drive over to Boulder City, go see the historic train. I think we're also going to go to Hoover Dam. Do that. Drive around, explore the area. Maybe have an adventure. That would be good. I would like that. This hotel room comes with only one packet of coffee. I'm a 2-cup guy, so I gotta head downstairs and get some more coffee. There we go. Oh, don't worry about that. I was just getting the breakfast with the basket.
Now that's new and different. We see back there, we're rising above the valley now, and Las Vegas back behind us.
I noticed that. I don't know what it's for. Yeah, I think you're right. There's some big trains, aren't they?
Oh yeah, massive.
It's air conditioned in here. If we tell them we're pilots, do you think they'll let us drive the train?
Yeah, right.
We can only hope. It didn't work on the cruise ship. Oh, I'm going to see what's back here. Got to find a place to sit here. This will go up on YouTube. Do a little video of our trip today. But you do what you got to do, you know? Man, that 114-degree breeze, you gotta love it. Gotta love it. It's a free song.
You're right.
We gotta get some of the people wearing their uniforms here. I just want to get the bell ringing coming into the thing here. Heat kills. Stay hydrated, man. Stay hydrated. That's absolutely right.
Now is that Lake Mead? Is that what that is?
Yep.
Okay, I wasn't sure which lake it was.
Security check station. Oh, that's interesting.
Lake Mead out there. You can see how high that water's been before. Just in case you folks had any doubt, it's hot. Yes, it is. Lake Mead back there, you can see that. Just desolate land around it. Just it's blowing out here. I almost lost my cap here. I had to really tighten it down. I think if I keep going, that's Arizona over there. Let's see. That's where we were at, up there, yeah. See all those people up there? Yeah. Look at that.
Look at that. This is where we're having lunch at the Railroad Pass Casino, $5 burgers. And we've been told they are great. Wait, I thought that was it. Thank you. You would think so. Man, oh man. I think I saw this guy on Pawn Stars. I can honestly say it is cooler in here, except for when the wind picks up. The wind is just hot. But there was definitely a drop in temperature when I stepped in here, until the wind picked up. It's like its own little ghost town, isn't it? Mm-hmm. All these little historic period houses you can go into. They're all set up from the original periods where they were built.